Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about 3 top important questions which are generally asked in interviews. So the first question is, how do we comment in Excel? So let us suppose we want to comment in this G5. So what we're gonna do is we'll simply can click a right click over here and go to add a note or add a comment. If you go to new comment, we can add that, suppose very good, and if we hit enter, you can see that the entire log with your comment with who has commented, it gets added. So the next question is, suppose we have a data and in that data we want to create a drop down of all the elements present in one particular column. What can we do over here is, let us check this out. So what we'll be doing is, we have this column city, and in this city we want to create a drop down on the basis of this, which has all the cities. So what we can do is, we can simply go to the cell, we can use this data validation tab which is there in the data section, go over there, do data validation, and in the data validation you need to select list, and then you need to give a source of the list. So what you can do is, you can select this entire range and you just need to hit OK, and everything whatever was there in the cities would come in a drop down, and this will have all the unique values. So you can select, and then maybe you can spread this out, and then you can change all the values whatever you want. So the third question is that, how do we figure out what are the unique values on the basis of two lists given in two different columns? So if we have a list 1 over here which has cities, and if we have a list 2 over here which has these cities, and from this entire data of list 1 and list 2 we want to highlight all the duplicate values, and we don't want to highlight whichever are the unique cities present in this list 1 and list 2. What we can do over here is, we can simply go to the home tab. For this we'll be doing conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules and then select duplicate values. Once you select duplicate values, just select the way you want to highlight them. From this you can change, and I'll just keep it by default and hit OK. So all the cities whichever were repeating are in red, and all the unique cities like Nagpur, Noida, Chennai, Hyderabad, Goa are occurring only once, whereas Goa and Nashik is also occurring only once. So these are the basic 3 questions which are generally asked in Excel interviews.